Discover the ultimate guide to making a six-figure income from the comfort of your own home. In this video, we'll reveal the secrets to earning $100,000 plus working remotely in 2025. From the best remote jobs to the top industries that are booming, we'll cover it all. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or just looking for a career change, this video is for you. Get ready to take your income to the next level and achieve the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Did you know that over 35% of remote workers now earn $100,000 or more per year? With remote work booming, opportunities to build a high-income career from home have never been better. Whether through tech jobs, freelancing, consulting, or online businesses, the key is choosing the right path and leveraging in-demand skills. Remote work isn't just a trend, it's the future. In 2025, companies worldwide are embracing remote and hybrid work models, creating more high-paying opportunities than ever before. With advancements in AI, automation, and digital platforms, professionals in fields like tech, consulting, freelancing, and online business can now earn $100,000 or more from home. Whether you're looking for a high-paying remote job, freelancing gig, or a business you can run from anywhere, the potential is massive. The best part? No long commutes, more flexibility, and unlimited income growth. AI-driven solutions are transforming businesses, from chatbots to machine learning algorithms. Companies are hiring AI engineers, data scientists, and automation specialists to improve efficiency and customer experiences. With cyber threats increasing, the demand for cybersecurity experts is at an all-time high. Ethical hackers, penetration testers, and cybersecurity analysts are earning six-figure salaries protecting businesses from data breaches. Online shopping continues to dominate, with brands leveraging Shopify, Amazon FBA, and TikTok Shop to sell products globally. Private labeling, print on demand, and subscription-based e-commerce models are generating massive profits. Virtual healthcare services, including telehealth consultations, online therapy, and AI-powered diagnostics, are in high demand. Medical professionals, fitness coaches, and mental health therapists are shifting to remote models, offering services via apps and video calls. Experts in various fields, from business and coding to fitness and finance, are making six figures selling knowledge online through Udemy, Teachable, and Patreon. Decentralized finance, DeFi, cryptocurrency trading, and blockchain development remain profitable fields. Financial analysts, crypto investors, and blockchain developers are cashing in on Web3 innovations, tokenization, and AI-powered trading strategies. Software-as-a-service platforms are booming as companies seek scalable cloud solutions. Developers and entrepreneurs are launching automation tools, productivity apps, and AI-powered SaaS businesses, generating recurring revenue through monthly subscriptions. With the global push towards sustainability, businesses in solar energy, electric vehicles, EVs, and eco-friendly products are thriving. Careers in green technology, carbon credit trading, and renewable energy startups are in high demand. The gig economy is stronger than ever, with freelancers earning six figures in copywriting, SEO, paid advertising, social media management, and YouTube automation. Businesses are investing more in digital marketing, making this industry extremely profitable for remote workers. The metaverse, VR, and AR continue evolving, creating demand for 3D designers, virtual real estate developers, and NFT creators. Brands are leveraging immersive experiences for e-commerce, training, and entertainment. One of the most lucrative remote jobs in 2025 is software development. Companies are constantly looking for skilled developers to create and maintain applications, websites, and digital solutions. Specializing in high-demand programming languages like Python, JavaScript, or Rust can open doors to six-figure salaries, and remote work allows developers to collaborate with global teams while enjoying the flexibility of working from anywhere. Cybersecurity is another high-paying remote career, as businesses prioritize protecting their data from cyber threats. Cybersecurity analysts, ethical hackers, and security consultants are in high demand, with salaries often exceeding $100,000. Certifications like CISSP or CEH can boost credibility and job prospects, making it easier to secure remote roles with top companies. Digital marketing continues to be a profitable field for remote workers, with businesses investing heavily in online visibility. Experts in SEO, paid advertising, and social media marketing can command high salaries, particularly when working with international clients or large brands. Digital marketers who specialize in conversion optimization and data-driven strategies can scale their earnings significantly. Data science and artificial intelligence are among the fastest-growing remote careers. Companies leverage big data to make informed decisions. Skilled data scientists who can analyze trends, create machine learning models, and develop AI solutions are in high demand. This field offers six-figure opportunities, especially for those with expertise in Python, R, or cloud computing. Online coaching and consulting provide a flexible and scalable path to a six-figure income. Professionals with expertise in business, career development, fitness, or personal finance can offer one-on-one coaching sessions, group programs, or digital courses. By building a strong online presence and leveraging platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, or Patreon, coaches can attract high-paying clients worldwide. Freelance writing and content creation have evolved into a high-income remote career, especially for those who specialize in technical writing, copywriting, or content strategy. Businesses constantly need well-written content for blogs, websites, and marketing materials. Writers who understand persuasive storytelling and SEO optimization can secure high-paying contracts and long-term collaborations. E-commerce entrepreneurship is another remote opportunity that can generate $100,000 or more. Selling products through platforms like Shopify, Amazon, or Etsy allows entrepreneurs to build online stores and scale their businesses. Dropshipping, print-on-demand, and private labeling are popular models that enable remote entrepreneurs to operate without handling inventory. Virtual CFO and financial consulting roles are in demand as businesses seek expert guidance on financial strategy, tax planning, and investment decisions. Accountants, CPAs, and financial advisors who offer remote services can work with multiple clients and scale their income through retainers and consulting fees. Those who specialize in crypto finance or international business strategy can command even higher rates. Remote project management is a lucrative career for professionals who excel at organization and leadership. Companies need project managers to oversee remote teams, track deliverables, and ensure deadlines are met. With certifications like PMP or Agile Scrum Master, remote project managers can land high-paying roles in tech, healthcare, and finance. Online education and course creation provide a passive income opportunity for remote professionals. Experts in any subject, from coding to digital marketing to language learning, can create and sell courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or their own websites. By continuously updating content and marketing courses effectively, online educators can generate six-figure incomes while working from home. One inspiring success story is that of Alex Carter, a former corporate employee who transitioned to remote freelancing and built a six-figure business from home. Alex worked as a digital marketing strategist for a mid-sized company but always dreamed of having more freedom and control over income. After being laid off in 2020, Alex decided to dive into freelancing full-time, specializing in SEO and paid advertising for e-commerce brands. At first, the journey was challenging. Alex started by offering services on Upwork and Fiverr, charging lower rates to build a portfolio. By providing exceptional results and collecting positive client reviews, Alex quickly gained credibility and began attracting bigger clients. Within 6 months, Alex landed a long-term contract with a seven-figure online store, optimizing their Google Ads campaigns and scaling their revenue. Instead of relying solely on freelancing platforms, Alex leveraged LinkedIn and cold outreach strategies to connect with business owners who needed marketing expertise. A key turning point came when Alex raised rates and switched to a results-based pricing model, earning a percentage of revenue generated from ads. This change skyrocketed earnings, allowing Alex to surpass $100,000 within the first year. Alex's success came from continuous skill improvement, staying updated with digital marketing trends, and investing in automation tools to scale the business. Eventually, Alex expanded the business into a small agency, outsourcing work to other freelancers and generating multiple six figures annually, all while working remotely from different countries as a digital nomad. This story proves that with the right skills, smart pricing strategies, and consistent outreach, remote work can lead to financial freedom and unlimited income potential. I'd love to hear from you. Have you worked remotely before, or are you just getting started? Drop a comment below and share your experience, challenges, or goals for working from home in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss valuable insights on remote work and online income opportunities. Check out my other videos for more remote job tips, high income skills, and real success stories that can help you start and scale your work from home career.